Yo, what's up? It's Bryden Maiolo. We're here at the Bikezone, and I'm building up my new BSD passenger frame.
Zach? Yep. Thank you. No problem.
What's going on, guys? I'm Bryden Maiolo from Coon Squad BMX, and we're here at the Bikezone, and I'm here with Ross Terry. He's playing Dave Muir BMX, and here's a quick bike build / bike check. So to start off, I got the BSD passenger in raw 20.8 with a short back end, how I like it. And on the front end, we got some Fit Benny bars with some Merit something grips, don't know what they're called. Stranger cell stem, and with some Sunday forks, don't know if they're morning or nights, not sure. BSD 2.4 tires, Donna Squeaks, Merit, what is it, Merit non-stop with 2 tension guards. For the bottom bracket, we've got a Colt with some Odyssey, what are they called?
JCPC?
Yeah, Odyssey JCPC pedals with some Thunderbolts and a Millionaire sprocket. In the back, Colony Free Coaster laced to a Cinema 77 rim, and Odyssey K710 chain. That's it's the whip.
One thing is like to the back, you can have a rim that matches the front top, which will look as clean as possible.
One-hander. Ready? Bar spin. Oh, one footer.
Yes.
X up. Bar spin.
Bryden on the job.
So that didn't sound good. Look at this rock top.
Okay, put your foot on that end.
That was clean.
He's on there.
Jesus.
I don't think you're ever getting that off, man. Time for the cranks. Might